Hello everyone. So yesterday I noticed a crack in my windshield on my way to Winchester, but today it's raining, so look. I don't know if you can see it from there. Let's see. Yeah. So I was hoping that was kind of dry today, but apparently it's not. So I'm stuck. I'll have to wait for a bit drier weather to do something. So let's wait. Oh yeah, let's try again. Apparently it's not raining anymore, so well, it's not sun as well, so yeah, we have a try. I'm not going to drill it. I should drill it somewhere around here. If you can see anything here, still here. We actually have two cracks, a little one that goes still here and another one that goes still here. So I'm not gonna drill it because I've never done it before and I'm kind of afraid of breaking it all. But let's see how it goes. Here's the windscreen repair kit. RainX, whatever. This should have been done with the sun out, but well, I don't think we'll have sun. So it's not raining now. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I have a big trip. I have a field trip to Goa Peninsula in Wales, South Wales, with my colleagues at uni. So it will be a lot of fun, but today is Wednesday. I'm not sure how the weather is going to be tomorrow, so I'm doing it today. Anyway, I'll be off to Wales on Friday. Hopefully I'll make some nice footage of South Wales and the nice Wales weather. And I imagine that will be raining a lot. We'll see. I was thinking of bringing my drone, but I don't think there's any point to taking the drone to Wales, to be honest, in the middle of February. I don't think so. So I'll take in the camera, taking some pictures as well, and we'll see how it goes. It'll be a lot of fun, I guarantee that. Yeah, I waited for some time. Apparently it didn't do much. Right, because it's not sunny, I will leave it to cure for what? Maybe about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll see. For you it's just a second anyway. See you right back. Right, it's been 20 minutes or so. I can't see too much difference, to be honest. It is a little bit, but not too much. Can you see anything? Right, let's take the plastic sheets off. It'll look much better than what it looked before. Can see a lot still. But yeah, looks better. So yeah, it will all done hopefully. We'll see about that. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.